What's poppin', people? Today I'm going to be showing off my new effect, Photo Mosaic. So here I got a little clip of me from a music video. I'm going to add Photo Mosaic and then select a folder. This folder has 200 random images that I downloaded in it. You'll see immediately we end up with each frame being made up of a bunch of tiny little photos. We can increase the grid width to add a little bit more detail by adding more photos per row. Now you can see it's looking a lot more like the original clip. Maybe we'll go with 120 or 110. We can adjust the accuracy, which makes it a little bit slower to render. So the plugin is using this algorithm to decide which photos should go in each tile, so that overall it looks like the original frame, even though it's made up of these little photos. And accuracy just uses a little bit more compute power to pick more accurate photos for each tile. And then we can overlay the original image on top. So by default, we do that with an overlay blending mode. We can also do just regular on top or add. And then we can choose the opacity of the image that's on top here. Set it to default because I find it looks pretty good. Maybe turn it down a little bit. And that just helps add a little bit more detail and color back in that might be lost through the photo mosaic process. So the first frame you render after choosing a folder and a grid width is going to take quite a long time as it processes all of those images. And it's going to take longer to process the more images you choose. So just keep that in mind. Don't choose a folder with thousands of images in it unless you want to wait quite a few minutes for the first frame to render. I would just say a good idea is to stick to a few hundred images max. But here we have our final result. This is what I got with these parameters. Looks pretty cool. I'm super excited to see what you guys make with this, so please reach out on Discord and I'd love to see what you do. Take care of yourself because you deserve it. You really, really do. Thank you.